Imagine 4 in Google Workspace is insane. Google put their AI image maker right inside Google Docs, videos, and slides. You can make studio quality images by typing what you want. No design skills needed, no extra tools needed. This is going to change everything. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how Imagen 4 works inside Google Workspace and why this is such a big deal. Most people have no idea this exists. They're still using Photoshop or paying for stock images. But Google built this right into the tools you already use every day. You can make incredible images in Docs, create stunning slides in Slides, and even make video clips in Vids, all with just a simple prompt. And the quality is insane. So, what is Imagen for? It's Google's AI image model. The photorealism is incredible. The detail is crazy good. You can see textures in fabrics, water droplets, fur, all the tiny details that used to look fake. And here's the big one. The text rendering is actually good now, so you can put words in your images and they actually look right. That was impossible before. The model supports tons of aspect ratios. You can make images up to 2K resolution. That's good enough for presentations, posters, videos, whatever you need. And the best part is it's built right into Google Workspace. You don't need to go to some external website. You don't need a separate subscription. If you have Google Workspace with the AI features turned on, you already have access. Now, here's what makes this different from every other AI image tool. It's integrated. When you're writing a document in Google Docs and you need an image, you just click Insert and Generate Image. When you're making a presentation in Slides and you need a graphic, same thing. When you're creating a video in Vids, you can generate images and video clips right there. No switching between apps, no downloading files, no uploading to different platforms. Everything happens where you're already working. Let me show you what this actually looks like. In Google Docs, you go to Insert, and there's an option to generate an image. You type what you want, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. Then boom, your image appears. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Imagen 4 to automate your business and save hundreds of hours, you need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you how to take tools like this and actually use them to get more customers and scale your business. We cover all the latest AI tools, how to automate your workflows, and how to stay ahead of everyone else who's still doing things the old way. The link is in the description.